I think the markets finally get it. Trump's reciprocal tariffs are not inflationary, and that's the subject of the riff. Well, of course, today, President Trump expanded on his fair and reciprocal trade policy, and it's aimed at creating a level playing field for American workers and businesses, and will hopefully deal with the many unfair trading practices around the globe that are aimed at the United States. He's using a simple metric. You tax us, we're going to tax you. But if you lower your tax on us, then we'll gladly lower our tax on you. Taxes, of course, are really tariffs. So one place the president singled out was the European Union. That has a nearly 20% value-added tax, a VAT, which, yes, functions as a tariff. Plus, they have across-the-board tariffs that are much higher than ours. And on that score, President Trump singled out the 10% European auto tariff, which is 4 times America's 2.5%. And that's on top of the 20% VAT. Of course, that's all patently unfair. And there are countrywide examples galore. India is 6 times the tariff rate that we do. Mexico 3 times. China nearly 5 times. Brazil 6 times. The world trading system has been broken for over 25 years, maybe longer. Most countries have taken advantage of America by aiming their trading barriers at us. And there is no international court to fix it. The World Trade Organization is a bust, and it's also corrupt in bed with the Chinese. So President Trump's going to try and fix this by applying a reciprocal tariff benchmark. Seems like a pretty straightforward metric to me. At this point, we don't yet know exactly how far or wide the policy will go, nor do we know how much in tariff revenues might be raised. These are all important questions, yet unanswered. In today's presser, I thought Mr. Trump used a very moderate and low-keyed approach to this. He wasn't really bashing anybody, and he mainly focused his remarks on how the industrial heartland and our whole economy will become bigger and more productive as a result of his reciprocity-based level playing field goal. Stock market rose nearly 400 points on the news. No action is going to be taken until April 1st after a review led by Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick. Of course, reporters kept nagging President Trump about inflationary tariffs, but they are wrong. Exporters will bear the largest burden because they'll be forced to slash their prices in order to sell in America. Plus, the export country currency is going to fall while the U.S. dollar will rise. All that's counter-inflationary. All that said, all right, I strongly support trade reciprocity. It is a noble mission. Next up, though, I'd really like to see the president start talking up tax cuts again. Tax cuts, jobs, middle-class wages, rapid economic growth. Let's get back on the growth message. And that's the riff.